Why does Santa Claus always wear red clothes? Why is cricket more popular than hockey in India? And can a piece of paper really become thicker than the distance to the moon if you fold in 42 times? Let's find out. Before we started, this video is packed with amazing facts, so hit the like button now so you don't forget later. Fact 6. Can a paper reach the moon? You have probably heard that if you fold a piece of paper in half 42 times, it would become thick enough to reach the moon. Sound crazy, right? The reason is simple. Every time you fold the paper, its thickness doubles. If a sheet starts at about 0.01 centimeter thick, then after one fold it becomes 0.02 centimeter. After two folds, 0.04 centimeter and so on. After 10 folds, it would be over 10 centimeter thick. After 17 folds, it would be taller than a person, and mathematically, after 42 folds, the thickness would exceed the average distance to the moon. The problem: folding a normal sheet of paper 42 times is practically impossible. In fact, the famous record by Brittany Galvin democrated a special long sheet folded 12 times in 22. This is the most times you have ever folded a piece of paper. Let me know in the comments. Fact 4. The oldest verified human. Meet Jane Calment from France. She was born on February 21, 1875 and lived for an incredible 122 years and 164 days before passing away in 1997. She is considered the longest lived verified human in history. Her case is well documented and confirmed by research. Fact 4. If hockey is Indian national sport, why is cricket more popular? Many people believe hockey is Indian national game, but cricket is by far the most popular sport. One reason is accessibility. Cricket can be played almost anywhere with just a bat and a ball, while hockey requires specialized equipment and situation playing areas. Cricket also received decades of promotions through televisions, radio sponsorship, and major tournaments, helping it become deeply rooted in Indian culture. Fact 2. Can BRICS replace the dollar? The USA dollar is currently the dominant currency in global trade. The BRICS group, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, has discussed creating alternative system for international trade that could reduce dependence on the dollar. However, a single BRICS currency does not currently exist. It is still an idea being discussed, and experts continue to debate whether it could ever challenge the dollar's global influence. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Fact 1. Why does Santa Claus wear red? Many people think Santa has always worn red clothes, but that is not entirely true. In older illustrations, Santa appeared in various colors, including blue, green, and brown. During the 1930s, Coca-Cola popularized the modern image of Santa wearing a bright red suit in its advertised companies. Since then, the red-suited Santa has become the most recognizable versions worldwide. That's for today videos. If you enjoyed this fact, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.